Hey guys, this is Ben Reed, and I am doing a very quick tutorial video on the exact way that we are going to have individuals donate to our project and the software we're using, which is called Cosvox.com, to help collect all of our not only individual donations on individual pages, but also how that rolls up into a collective group project page. So Cosvox.com is a software that allows us to do exactly that. So this is the actual page that I created. It's already ready to go. It's live online, and it will tell you exactly how much we've raised collectively as a group. And also, what's great is that it puts that number into an actual tangible thing that we can measure that we're succeeding at. So I have here $2,000 raised equals one life transformed, one transformed life. We can always change any of this if anyone disagrees, but this is just, it gives you a sense of how it works. You can see there's a time remaining. We do have this expiring on July 13th at midnight. And so it's actually July 12th at midnight, which is technically July 13th. And then also will show you how many total donors are here. And also people can actually donate directly off of this page. They can join the campaign, which is what you're going to do in a moment. You're going to join the campaign and create your individual page, or they can share this main page. You'll also notice here that we have, I created an overview of what we're trying to accomplish. Again, all of this copy here can be updated. It just is meant to get us started. I think it suffices, but of course we can update that. And then also I have a little blurb here about our mission, plus some information about who our captains are and how to get in contact with them. There's also a video that I've embedded here from the Sparta Project, which people can play. And so also there's the ability, as I said, to share. Down here, this is the about, but you can also see the participants. I've added myself, so that shows you my individual page. And then also, if I want to look at updates or the actual donors, I can see recent donors who have donated with amounts and all of that. So this is very interactive, out of the box, ready to go. And so now I want to show you guys how that you create your individual fundraising pages, because this is the link. Once you generate that page, the link that you're going to share on social media with your friends and family, and when you pass it around so that you get credit. And so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you're going to go to the link that we provide you, which is going to be sparta.cosvox.com. That is the link, and we will give that to you. When you get on this page, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see there's a donate button, and then there's a join the campaign button. You want to click join the campaign. So I'm going to click on that button, and you're going to see it's going to say account creation. Join the campaign and create your own personal fundraising page. Okay, so all you do here is I'm going to put in a fake one, and I'll have to go and delete it afterwards, but we'll call it Ben DPTV plus testsparta.com or at gmail.com. That will be my fake page, and then I'm going to create a password here, and then you put in your confirmation of that password. And I think I screwed that up, so we'll see what happens. You click create my account, and then you're going to notice here that it's going to say finish your profile. So I already have a image for you. You can change this if you want, but this is their actual logo. You also want to put in your name, so put it Ben Test and Read Test. So I know to delete this. I'm going to click continue. So all you've done at this point is just literally put your name in. Click continue. And then you're going to put up your fundraising page. Now, this is the display name, so you can call this whatever you want. Your name is displayed by default on your fundraising page. Setting this will override it for names that don't fit the name, last name, etc. So that's my name. It's going to post up there. The page that you want, this is the actual link that's going to be generated. I personally don't like this, so I would change it. I would just call this Ben Reed or something like that, test. So it's one word. People don't have to put dashes in, but you're just going to send it to them anyways as a copy and paste for the URL. And then you're going to set your fundraising goal. Everyone should be setting $2,500 for your individual fundraising goal, and then you want to click continue. Now, you'll see here that there's share your motivation with your supporters. We're provided some default text to help you get started. This is what I have created for you as a default. This is what's on the home page. and you can click save and continue if you want. If you want to edit this, this is the time to do so, and go ahead and edit it. You click save and continue. And then you're going to go ahead and you see it says share with the world. You can share this immediately by email, share on Facebook directly from here. You can share on Twitter. I would do it all at this point if I was you. And then I would click all done. Now, when you say all done and go to dashboard, you're now going to see this is the amount that you've raised. Here's your goal. You can actually share this page by clicking on this link. Literally this little button here, click copy, or you can just double click or just highlight it here and click copy. This is your personal link that you are going to send to everybody that you want to come to this page so you get credit. You can also share it via Facebook. You'll also notice when I click on Facebook to share it, I've already, there's a specific photo and there's the logo with, it says support Ben Reed test test. Again, you can edit all of this if you want. The PTSD, blah blah blah. You can edit all of this, so you can take control of that if you would like. Then also, you can view the donations of your page, who was donated to you. Let me go back in here. You can go into, you can edit the page if you want, any of the text that you have. You can go ahead and go to your account here. And then if you want to create a team, you can do that. Now, don't do that right now. But what we're going to be doing, hopefully, is creating smaller teams so that we can have like 6 or 7 people on a team, and then there's a collective sub-team goal so we can hold each other accountable. Don't worry about that for now, but that is potentially coming down the pike. I don't want to guarantee that, but for now, leave this part alone. So anyways, this is your page. So you can now see here, this is what it looks like. You can see all your donors, see all the updates, and you can scroll down and see what it looks like here. Now, when people want to make a donation, they're going to come to this page and they're going to click on donate. They'll click on donate and they're going to go through this process. So you can select here $60 donation, $125. These are the 3 tiers that I gave. The reason I do the 60, 125 is because I'd like to make it kind of non-standard, not 50, 100. There's a long reason behind it, but that's the reason I chose it. But people can actually just put in their other amount here by saying, like, I only want to do $25 or whatever it is. You can also see it says add 8% of my amount to cover transaction fees. This service does charge a certain amount of transaction fees, so we're going to ask our donors to make that tip. If they don't want to, they can get rid of it. They click continue. The Sparta Project, 100,000 raised in 30 days is the name. Again, this is, you're getting credit here, $25, and then they would fill out their name. So it would be like test. They could do it anonymously. They could put in a comment of like, this is amazing, and click continue. And then you can see here, this is where they put in their Ben plus test at test.com. And they can ask for updates. They can put in their address here, and they can put in their city here, and then they can put in their state and zip. And again, I'm blazing through this, but this is what you go through. And then finally, you put in your billing information here, and you click make payment. And that's how they make a donation. So this is all set up for you. It's ready to go. If you have any questions, call me directly at 215-266-3198. That's 215-266-3198. I love everyone, and let's rock it out. Thanks.